Once you have uploaded some spectra into tameNMR, it's a good idea to collect the annotation associated with this spectra to visualize this as well. Going to the EMBL-EBI repository metabolites, you can select the dataset that you have uploaded and go to Files to pull the file m_mtbls, whatever the ID code is, metabolite profiling. This is a very large file containing an awful lot of information about the dataset, including annotations and identities. Column F contains the peak boundaries for each peak in your spectra, with G and E annotation for those. This data may be reformatted into a tab-separated volume known as a pattern file by the Brooker Amix community. This file contains at least 3 columns, with the first 2 columns representing the left and the right boundaries in ppm of your peak, and the third column an annotation for that peak. Here you can see we have left and right boundaries for a series of peaks, and then an arbitrary number for each in the third column. More complicated, more informative annotation is also provided in an optional fourth column. This tab-separated volume may be uploaded using the Get Data Upload File option from the left-hand menu and drag and drop the TSV file in there as we did for the data from the spectra. Once uploaded, we can go to Import Data and select Prepare Pattern File. Here, the action is to import from table, and it's the TSV pattern file we've just uploaded which we wish to select. Executing this allows us to see in tameNMR that the pattern file has been successfully uploaded, with the first 2 columns representing the ppm. Please note that the pattern file should not contain a header, and if it does so, will not work with all the functions in the software. tameNMR has been funded by the BBSRC through a grant to the University of Liverpool. This is a collaboration between the NMR Metabolomics Facility and the Computational Biology Facility. If you'd like more information, please contact us via Twitter or access other tutorials in this series.